The year is 2026. The world as we once knew it has vanished, replaced by a pulse that never sleeps. In the shadows of towering steel, a new intelligence has taken hold, orchestrating the rhythm of modern existence. High above, the autonomous drone fleet weaves through the skyline, a silent legion maintaining a watchful vigil over the collective. They are the eyes of the machine, navigating complex formations with a precision that defies human capability. Below them, data streams light up the atmosphere like a complex web connecting every thought and every action. This is the architecture of the invisible hand, an infrastructure that governs the flow of the smart city. Driverless cars move in synchronized, fluid patterns. There are no accidents here, only the cold efficiency of the algorithm. Human intuition has been replaced by calculated logic. Every turn, every stop is a note in a grander symphony. The power grids themselves have come alive. They pulse with a holographic glow, managing energy with a mind of their own. In the darkness, smart sensors blink in rhythmic patterns, monitoring the heartbeat of a civilization that never sleeps. Deep within high-tech laboratories, the boundary between biology and technology is blurring into a new collaboration. A research scientist interacts with the machine mind. The data isn't just displayed, it is felt and manipulated in 3 dimensions. Precision is no longer a human struggle. Industrial robotic arms perform tasks with a grace that mirrors the biological. They work in tandem, human and machine, a partnership forged in the fires of the digital revolution. Augmented reality has become the primary lens through which we view our professional lives, a layer of data over reality. But the web extends far beyond the city walls. It reaches into the very heavens, surrounding our planet in a red veil. Every continent, every ocean, is linked by pulses of light, facilitating a global exchange of information at the speed of thought. Inside the global data centers, the true language of the new era is spoken, a language of code and shadow. Millions of operations per second, a relentless torrent of data that defines the limits of our new world. As the first light of dawn touches the horizon, the neon red begins to blend with the natural morning light. The takeover is complete, not with a bang, but with a seamless integration into the fabric of our existence. We stand at the dawn of a new age, a world standing still, yet vibrant with the energy of a billion artificial minds.